the spooky cup. Konnichiwa, Genki. Today, we're gonna review, from Japan, Mountain Dew Violet with grape flavor and Pringles egg salad sandwich. Oh yeah, I've been really wanting to try this Mountain Dew. Duh. Because it looks freaking cool. It's really cool. Yeah, I had a sticker, I ripped it off. Sorry. I just said a bunch of stupid shit. Grape flavor, blah, 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 calories. You know the deal. But straight from Japan. AKA, I got this at a local mall here at an FYE. They have some random limited time, I see a little clock there, Japanese products currently, which included these. And these were the two that got me, because I wanted the Mountain Dew really bad, been meaning to order this online. And egg salad sandwich sounded kind of interesting. They had like a jalapeno one, but we already have like a couple of jalapeno ones. There's like a fire roasted jalapeno one that like came out recently, I believe. It's like, who cares? Egg salad sandwich. I really also want to get a hold of those other Pringles, like the ramen one I've had before, and I regretfully was before I started doing this channel and I didn't get to review it. But I've seen other like weird flavors in Japan and Korea, and I might hunker down and throw away money I don't have to get them sometime. But anyway, enough of that. We're gonna review both of these bad boys. You're getting a 2-for-1 in Japanese fun. This one goes out to all the anime titties out there. I love you. Man, I really don't even want to like open this. I want to keep it and wash this off, but maybe I'll go and see if they have more. If you do have an FYE store, I recommend going quickly, because it did have a big sign saying very, very limited. Once it's gone stock. So you get them. They're a little costly. It was $5 for a can, and it was $4 for this. But when am I ever gonna get this shit? Ooh. First up, gonna do the Pringles. It's got all the, whatever words. It smells like regular chips, or crisps, or whatever you call them. They're a lot smaller than normal Pringles. I was not expecting that. Kind of crispier too. Highly edible, but I kind of wish I kept my $5. It's not a strong flavor. It has a very faint, like boiled egg aftertaste, but it literally mostly tastes like a regular, generic Pringle. Dude. The girl at the store was all like, "Oh my god, they're really good, but they stink." No, I'm just smelling nothing. It just tastes like Pringles. I wasted a lot of money. They're good. I'm going to eat them, but 2.5 out of 5 sneaky snakes. Save your money if you see these. They look cool and interesting, but it just tastes like a regular fucking Pringle. Not about it. Spooky Cup is back, motherfuckers. Nothing more spookier than rocking my brand new awesome Soft Kill long sleeve, by the way. Love that band. Good guys. What's up, Toby? Anyway. Mountain Dew. Ooh! That was cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, it's got like a very plum, like wine kind of look to it. Ooh, that smells really good. It's very potent grape. Like super, super grape. I like grape. If you like grape, grape. Man, that's a shame that we don't have this. This would be one of my go-tos for Mountain Dew. If you've ever had the sangria from Taco Bell, it's a little bit like that. Like, it's the closest thing I can associate it with. It's almost like you took a Mountain Dew and you mixed it with like actual like fruit juice. Oh, yeah, that is really tasty. That is like super tasty. I would pay $5 for this again. For Mountain Dew Violet definitely gets the Sneaky Snake approval. I'm gonna hit that with 4 to 5 Sneaky Snakes. That's better than average. God, man, Mountain Dew, release it. Also, kind of vaguely, I'm thinking like what is it, Blackout or whatever. That's like a grape one. It tastes similar to Blackout and the sangria mixed together, a little bit of fruit juice. It's good.